from the Happy Jack shack. And Happy Jack, it isn't my shack. That's why I call it Happy Jack Shack. Are you kidding me?
Oh, howdy. I don't know who that freak was, but I'm sure we're going to see him again later when I start filming The Ghost of Holbrook Junction. But, what I'm really doing here today is, last night I had the GoPro set up for another stargaze, and this is Friday the 22nd of August, and tomorrow is the new moon, so there was no moonlight last night, and without the trees blocking the view, it was fantastic. You're going to have to see this stargazing. It's one of my better ones. And so without further ado, or don't for those that don't do, let's go stargazing, shall we? I'll be back later. We're back! So what'd you think? I really liked, there's parts in there, you know, it almost looked like shooting stars, but I'm sure those were jets going across, you know, we're not that far from Reno, so there's a lot of air traffic for that. And, but one thing I really liked was not only did it show really good star tracking, or star tracking, not trekking, tracking, or stargazing, whatever you want to call it. And there was even some clouds that floated into it, but it didn't block the stars that much, and it just added to it. So next time I think I might try to do on three different nights, and do the three different star tails on it. You know, doing the short tail, which this was, the medium tail size, and then the long. Because the long, it just stays up there forever. So that'll be an interesting one, and maybe I'll see about putting it somewhere else instead of just the porch, and get it away from as much light as possible. So, you know, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Please! None of my videos are monetized, but it makes me feel good to see, you know, comments coming in. So, this is Happy Jack, hoping your journey down life's path is a pleasant one. Later days, y'all. Y'all come back and see me again real soon, yeah?